Steve from Having a Crack, mate. How are you?
And I'm Jeff.
And you're Jeff, mate.
Yeah.
Tell me a bit about this beautiful EH you got here.
Yeah, well, we've only owned it for 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
And it was built here in Queensland back in 2017.
Yes.
It went down to Mildura, and the guy had a winery down there and wasn't using it, so we bought it in Mildura and brought it back here to Queensland.
Look, can I have a look at the interior inside?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. It's Premier. We had the seats all redone. Premier seats. I'm just waiting to put the console back in it.
Yep.
Because the vintage air takes up too much room on the other side. So
Yeah.
I've got to slightly modify it. The vintage air is beautiful, and it shows you the actual ashtray there is where the controls are.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to have a look at
That's very interesting.
that. Yeah. That's real neat too. Just hides all that modern stuff and keeps it period correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
I
it's
love
got-
that dash, eh?
Yeah, it's all electric. Yeah.
That looks so good.
It runs twin 44 boosters in the boot with the battery in the back as well.
Twins, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And it got power windows in it too?
Power windows, central locking.
Yeah, awesome. That's great, eh? Mate, it's absolutely beautiful. Love the colour.
Now this is sort of your Premier colour, and
It is original, isn't it? The
Yes,
colour of it. Yeah,
yes,
that's what I
yeah.
thought. Yeah, and I love that white
Yeah.
roof, eh? That
Yeah.
two-tone. It's great.
yeah. So no, all in all, it's a good car, and we're very proud of it. It drives beautifully with the LS in it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's and what boxes have got behind it? Has it got
It's a
turbo
4-speed, 700 or something like that.
Yeah.
Not 100% sure on that.
Yeah, but it's a 4-speed, and that's the main thing. You got that
4-speed,
overdrive.
Yeah, and it's twin boosters, four-wheel disc brakes.
Yeah. Excellent.
It's a tubbed rear end.
Yeah, those wheels, that's sitting perfect, eh?
Yes.
Just neat and nice dish on them too, and
Yeah.
love their mags. So
Limited slip diff, Tirana rack.
what diff is it? Has it got a 9-inch or has it just got a...
No, it's not. It's a Commodore. Ball
Yep.
Warner.
Did that have to be cut down to put that in?
Yes.
It did,
Yeah.
yeah, because you could run on the tubs, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
So,
Love
yeah.
the petrol filler, eh?
Yeah, well, you had
That's
to do that
sweet.
because it's got a Commodore tank in it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
No, that's sweet, eh? Love it, eh? Anyway, thanks a lot for your time.
Pleasure.
That was great.
Okay.